welcome to or welcome back to Hello High for another great cannabis recipe. And you know it's always going to be quick and easy. And if you have not already purchased the Hello High Ultra Infuser, please go do so. It's on sale at HelloHighCooks.com, and you can also purchase it on Amazon. And guess what? Today I'm showing you another quick and easy recipe, and I'm showing you how to make lump crab garlic butter bread, and we're using infused canna butter for this recipe. So let's get started.
Now for this recipe, you'll need 1 loaf of ciabatta bread, unsalted butter, canna butter, garlic, lump crab meat, parsley, basil, some cheeses, a lemon, and red pepper flakes. Now start by setting your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's best to use fresh parsley and basil in this recipe because it flavors the garlic so well. Chop a bunch of parsley into small pieces that look like this and then set them aside. Then chop a bunch of fresh basil until it looks like this and set that aside.